Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can vote for your favorite games for the 2025 Steam Awards. So just go to Steam and you're just going to scroll down and eventually you'll see this. You're going to select this tab. It says cast your votes in the 2025 Steam Awards. It says vote now. You've chosen the nominees, now we need your help in choosing the winners. So the first one is the Game of the Year award. There's this. I only know Clair Obscur, so I'm just going to vote for that. VR Game of the Year, let's do, I don't know. What's good? What's good, guys? Let's do the Midnight Walk, why not? Labor of Love. Let's do No Man's Sky, because I played that before, like twice maybe. Okay, best game on Steam Deck. Let's do this. Better with Friends. I'm like conflicted with Schedule 1 and Repo. Split Fiction is also good, but you can only play with one other friend. So, I don't know, let's do Repo. Okay, Outstanding Visual Style Award. Let's do Silent Hill. And Most Innovative Gameplay Award. Let's do let's do this one. Best Game You Suck at Awards. I played Marvel. It's very hard to say it for some reasons. I played Marvel Rivals before, and it's very hard. That's the only game that I played out of these 5 that is difficult, so I'm going to do this one. I know a lot of people like Elden Ring, but I've never played that before. So best soundtrack, let's do Clair Obscur as well. Outstanding Story Rich Game Award, let's do Last of Us, because that was like kind of one of the first games I watched like a streamer play. Sit Back and Relax Award. I've heard good things about RV there yet. I don't know about the rest. I'm just going to vote for that. And yeah, that is pretty much it. You have until January the 4th at 1 a.m. This is the time zone, GMT. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.